guys, welcome back to Team Kanu's channel. Look over here. Say hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. This is Team Kanu's channel. It's Christmas season of love. So Santa gifted my kids lots of gifts this Christmas. We want to unbox Samuel's presents from Santa. I'm gonna be fast about it, okay? Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not. Turn on your post notification bell so that whenever we put up new videos, you get notification. I'm super excited, guys. All these boxes are really catchy. I would love to know what's in there, okay? Let's go. Yes, guys. So the first box is this. Yeah, it says Samuel. So let's unbox as quickly as possible. So guys, this is what Samuel has in this box. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? Okay, hold on. It says hopping toy, guys. Hopping toy. Wow. Okay. Samuel. Samuel is still wondering what's this. So guys, you know this animal, and we're gonna use this manual pumping machine, pump it, and woo! Guys, I'm super excited with this. Look at it here. After pumping, we're gonna pump it, and oh, thank you, Santa. We love you. So guys, this is the next gift from Santa. Super excited to see what we have here. Have a look. Wow, this is a drum. Can you see? A drum and the stick. Guys, Samuel, we have another gift. Samuel, let's see what we've got here. Excited. So this is the USB charger, and this should be a bag here. It's food, vegetables, costume, nature, location. That's the card to teach them all these words and the meaning. Oh, okay, look at it here, guys. You see, this is the card, snake, the spelling, and the picture. You see, alphabet, the picture, and the word. That's it. So guys, this device is just what you use to put it in. You see, to show leg, nose. This is beautiful. This is what I need for Samuel right now, right? Now guys, we have another box here from Santa. Samuel, let me show you guys. Car. Is it a tractor or a Highlander? Guys, this is a Jeep, please. Jeep. 2 Jeeps, blue and orange Jeep. I love them. Oh yeah. It's okay. Woo! It's a car. The next gift present from Santa is this from someone. You see? So let's unbox. Okay. Wooden bowling set. Hey, it's a bowling game. Samuel, look. Samuel, you're not looking. Look, It's a bowling game.
Bowling game?
Bowling game, yeah. Guys, I'm super excited. This is beautiful. Oh, now guys, this is the next one. You see, this is a block. Ah, Sammy, look. Rhyme to build. So this is the paper to work with. Paper building, yeah. And now guys, this is the next gift from Santa. 11-piece stationery set, yes, with Paw Patrol drawings on it, yeah. Paw Patrol set, stationery set. Thank you, Santa. He's going to start school with this next year. So thank you, Santa. It seems this is the only thing that still interests him now. When we start using all those gifts, he's going to enjoy. And now guys, this is what we have. The next present from Santa. Classic colors, yeah, for paintings. This is what we have inside. We don't need to open it, right? Yes. So guys, this is the next gift from Santa for Samuel. Samuel, you're not looking. So this is a Pokemon, guys. Pokemon, you know, for construction and all these mind games, like to help them build their mental capacity. Guys, Pokemon, build beyond. These are the instruments for all the Pokemon. Thank you, Santa. Sammy, look, sit up. What's funny? You like Pokemon? So guys, this is a helmet. Gonna put it on him. Woo! For riding bicycle. Okay. Yeah. Say thank you, Santa. And the last but not the least, guys, this is it. Another building blocks with a lot of activities going on here. You know, building the shovel, colors, paints, cars, time, a lot of things going on here. We love you, Santa, guys. These are beautiful, really amazing gifts from Santa. Thank you guys for watching. Team Kanu, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your post notification bell so that whenever we put up new videos, you get notification. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you for watching.